Hello everyone, welcome back to the Info City. I hope you all are doing well. Well, here I am back again with another new news in the market. As you all know that it's the talk of the town these days, talk of the tech world these days, that Windows 11 would be coming soon. And soon after the leak of the Windows 11 features and ISO files, all the tech-savvy people have gone crazy for all the information about the Windows 11 that they can get. And if you are one of those crazy peoples, do check the complete video for further details about the Windows 11 ISO and the kind of features it has and the system requirements for the Windows 11 and all the setup size. All these kind of details I will be mentioning in today's video. So right now let's talk about the Windows 11 release date and the launch date. Well, right now there is no set date for the release of Windows 11, but an event is scheduled for 24th of June 2021 where Microsoft will be talking about the next generation of Windows. This event is scheduled for 11 a.m. on June 24th, so we can expect that they will announce the Windows 11 release date on that day. So as you all know that in 2015 Windows 10 was launched, that Microsoft was adamant that they will not create another version of Windows, but there are revolutionary times for technology and new technology is being introduced every day. So Microsoft decided to launch Windows 11 for all users. So Windows 11 would be coming in 32 by 64-bit ISO file download. So many of the users have started to search for the Windows 11 even now. Let us tell you that this version of Windows is yet to be released, and it will be releasing on June 24th. Some announcement will be made about the release of the Windows. Once the Windows 11 is released and available for download, it will be available on the official portal of Microsoft itself. The Windows 11 ISO file will be provided free to the users, early prediction, and users will not have to pay for the new version. We recommend upgrading your OS to Windows 11 as soon as it is available, because after a given time frame, Microsoft can make it paid too. So Windows 11 ISO file will be available 32 and 64-bit operating systems. You will have to download the ISO file of the version as per your OS. So is it going to be a free or paid price details? It is being expected that Windows 11 will be available as a free upgrade for those who are already running Windows 10, 7 and Windows 8.1 in their systems. Microsoft had run a similar free upgrade method for Windows 10 in the previous years. So providing Windows 11 for free will help Microsoft to bring more users to the latest version of Microsoft Windows. It will also help safely removing the old operating systems from the devices of the users who are no longer supported by the company. So it is set to be released on June 24th, 2021, but it was leaked already on the internet. Some key features of Windows 11 and various other details were leaked. In the leaks, it can be seen that a new start menu is designed for the new version. There are many other interface level changes that were seen in the Windows 11 leak news. The new start menu will have rounded corners and a new startup sound, which sounds like a very interesting feature. This upgrade will be a simplified and faster version of what we are using in the Windows 10. This will include various pinned apps, recent files, quick shutdown options, and much more. Windows 11 features. Okay, let's talk about some of the features that will be coming out in Windows 11. There will be a new start menu, there will be a new taskbar, and there will be a new search bar. There will be new animations which will be added while moving and dragging the windows. Even opening a new window, closing and minimizing tab have different animations than earlier version of Windows. Featured to perform multitask with Windows like split screen, creating groups of various task windows, etc. Touch controls are improved significantly. Windows 11 will have various problems fixed which were there in Windows 10. So that is basically something really convenient for people who were facing the touch control issues in the Windows 10. New sounds are added in this version after the release of Windows 10 in 2015. No significant changes were made in the sound, but in Windows 11 you will see various new sound options. You will have access to the dark mode also. Rounded corners, pointy corners will not be available in Windows 11. Corners of various bars will be made round. New icons are added, which will make it more attractive than the earlier versions. That would be, I guess, much more bigger change that they are introducing new icons. Various new widgets are added in this version. I really love widgets and I really miss them from Windows 7. There are yet many new features of Windows 11 that we don't know. These features will be updated shortly. So the system requirements below is the main expected system requirement for Windows 11 installation. It would be 1.2 gigahertz single processor, which is 32 bits, or 1.4 gigahertz single core processor, 64 bits. 2 GB RAM or more, 1024 to 768 would be the screen resolution. Approximately 15 GB of available hard disk space would be available. That would be the system requirement of Windows 11. And now let's talk about the recommended configuration. 2 GHz dual core processor or faster, 4 GB RAM or more, 1680 by 1050 screen resolution or higher, approximately 18 GB of available hard disk space. Windows 11 setup size. From the leaked version of Windows 11, it can be seen that the setup file ISO file size is 4.54 GB. Considering that the leaked version does not have all the features, we can say that the actual file size will be between 4.5 to 6 GB. And now comes the point how you can download the Windows 11. As we know that the Windows 11 64-bit version was leaked online and many people have uploaded it on the Google Drive and shared it online as well. So I'm also sharing the direct link to download the ISO file if you want to download it. We do not recommend you download and install the leaked version on your device, as it can be full of malware. Hackers may have introduced some code in this file to steal your information, so please do it at your own risk. That's the only reason I am just sharing the features with you over here, and I'm not going to install any that kind of version of Windows because I don't really want my system to be hacked. So that's one reason. How to install Windows 11 on 64-bit OS. So let's talk about the installation of Windows on the 64-bit OS. Download the ISO file from the download link. Grab a USB device, right with at least 16 GB of space, and make it bootable. You can make this pen drive bootable using Rufus, launch Rufus and select Windows 11 ISO file, which you just downloaded. Don't alter any other field and keep them all as default. And then click on the Start button at the bottom. After that, Windows 11 will be flashed in your USB drive. Plug this USB drive into the system where you want to install the Windows 11. Now restart your laptop or PC and keep pressing the boot key. Choose USB drive as primary from the boot device options. After pressing the enter button, Windows 11 installation process will start. Now choose your language, time and keyboard input method. Click on install now. As you do not have the product key, click the I don't have a product key option. Select the Windows 11 edition you want to install. Select the partition for Windows 11 installation. Click next and your Windows will start to install. This is all we know about Windows 11 for now. Be sure to keep on checking my channel for any other updates that I can get. I hope today's video would be beneficial for you, and now you would be able to know that when is Windows 11 coming and what are their features, what are the new features that are being introduced in Windows 11. And like you, I'm also very keen to know about the Windows 11 release, and I'm looking forward to try the new version of Windows really bad. So let's keep our fingers crossed and see. Hopefully it's going to be a good surprise for us. So thanks so much for watching my video, and if you like my video, don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed it yet, and don't forget to press the bell icon in case if you miss any of my videos, you can just get it from the notifications. Alright, have a very good day. Bye.